Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, there is quite a lot to go through. Yes, it's going to be a very bullish video on Solana and some pretty insane price predictions. And after this announcement today from Visa, things are going to get pretty crazy with it. Now, we've also got updates in relation to Ripple and XRP. That is a given on my channel. It is the OG. We've got more than $60 million stolen from a crypto casino, guys. Happens to be an Australian, by the way, which is wild. Another analyst predicting some pretty crazy things for XRP going to $130, which I think is easily achievable. You've got Ripple locking up 800 million XRP tokens. Swift now talking with Chainlink, which is bullish as well. You've got former Goldman Sachs manager Raoul Pal talking about $1 quadrillion coming into the crypto space in the future when it goes into the derivatives market, which, I mean, Ripple's already done with the ISDA partnership, which is crazy. And HSBC as well, very, very bullish on DLT, or I should say Ripple's DLT, distributed ledger technology as well. There's so much to go through. Also, going to go through my crypto day trading bots, which you can now copy trade officially on OKX, which is really bullish, guys. I just got approved by today for that, which is awesome. But anyway, let's get into the video, guys. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along in this incredible journey. Things are about to get pretty crazy in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. All right, so make sure you give it a good thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, little disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. Do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose, but you can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto. So please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Right, formalities are out of the way. Straight to the community tab. And yes, literally just got approved to become a lead trader on OKX, which is incredible. Thank you very much, OKX. They are an official partner of the channel. Now, in order to find, obviously, my profile, there are only 100 spots available for now. Again, once that, trading volume increases, and I mean, basically it's copy trading, so you're going to be following everything that I'm doing. You will be able to increase those 100 spots to more, which is incredible. So you have to go to copy trading on OKX. If you don't have an account, there is the official link. And when you go to copy trading in the platform, you just go to search traders and you can find the Wall Street Bull. There you go. That has officially happened today. That's bullish. Top altcoins in my portfolio. We have BTT again. This thing's been doing some pretty weird and strange things, like literally going up 100% in a day, back down, up, down. It's just wild. But anyway, TLM, Reef, I'm very bullish on. That is a gem in my opinion. And Neo and Nextra, very, very nice right there. And again, we've got this announcement coming out earlier today, but Visa expands its stablecoin settlement pilot to Solana, which is interesting as well. That is very, very bullish. But now let's go to Coinspot, another official partner of the channel. Again, this is where I buy my cryptos in Australia. Please feel free to use the referral link below for this. You will get $10 in Bitcoin. And of course, with this stuff, do your own research. Now, Bitcoin's sitting at 40,000 Aussie dollars today. You got Ethereum at 2,600. You've got XRP at 80 cents. Bullish. Dogecoin at 10 cents today. Cardano is at 41. Solana is up 1.55% to $31. Now, again, Raoul Pal is very, very bullish on Solana. It is probably his biggest position. We would never know because, again, you never disclose your crypto holdings to anybody. You can disclose the coins, but never how much. Ever. Never do that. All right, for security reasons. Now, again, $31. I did dollar cost average into this when the collapse of FTX happened. And I wish I had bought a hell of a lot more given the fact of this announcement today. and the price prediction I'm going to show you in the future that is coming in the next few years. Very, very bullish. Now, Polkadot, $6 as well. Matic at 89 cents. Litecoin, 101. Shiba Inu as well, up 1.31%. You've got XLM at 19 cents. Chainlink is at $9. We have Hedera as well, 7 cents. ICP is at $5. This was, ICP was $140 during the peak of the bull market, which is not far away, by the way. VeChain as well, 2 cents, doing absolutely nothing, but I'm still bullish on the project. Logistics and supply chain is huge. Optimism, $2.13. We have XDC at 8 cents. Still bullish on that. We have Algorand at 15 cents today. Axis at $7.26. Again, no longer staking that on Coinspot because of regulatory scrutiny from the Australian securities regulator, putting pressure on crypto exchanges here. Ridiculous. Anyway, Theta is at $1. We have Neo at $11 as well. IOTA is at 27 cents. Moving down, some other favorites, of course, CFX at 20 cents, and Caspar is at 5 cents as well. XYO, one that I'm very, very bullish on. It's still in the pennies. Again, I got into this very, very early, so waiting this one out, just slowly dollar cost averaging. And of course, Reef up 7.64% today, which is nice to see Reef actually doing something today. That's still in the pennies. Very, very bullish. Anyway, let's go to crypto bubbles. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, I have the Wall Street Bull University linked below. I put up all my buys, my sells, my trades, indicators, crypto day trading bots now, which can be copied on OKX, which is bullish. That all went up in there, guys, which is awesome. Obviously, all my futures, grid trading bots and setups are all in there as well. There's a whole range of stuff in there that's actually making me money. And I share that with the community immediately when I make changes or adjustments. Anyway, it all goes up in there. There's 1,154 posts of juicy information. Juicy stuff, right? It's making me money. Very, very bullish community, and I love talking with everyone in there in the direct messages as well. It's so much easier and better than Discord when you've got like 20 to 30,000 people talking at once. You just can't get the information across. So anyway, I love this community. Thank you very much to everyone that's subscribed. Now I'm going to show you my OKX account so you can see what's going on here. And yes, this is my legit account here, guys. I'm still up today. Still up $12,569, which is incredible as well. I'm just going to close this window because my computer is lagging like crazy. Anyway, we've got on the week, on the day, I'm down $6.37, which is not too bad. On the week, I'm still up 1,355, 11.87%. Now, on the month, I'm still up 12,459, which is insane, 660% here. On the 6 months, I'm up 588% there. That's pretty cool. Now, obviously, with the copy trading, I've got deals going at the moment. Lead trading here, you can see Axie, Gala right here, the graph. Currently got long positions opened up. They're already in profit, which is incredible. Obviously, I've got Sandbox right here, EGLD. Elrond, is that it? I can't remember. Optimism. What else have we got here, guys? Filecoin, Shiba Inu, we've got a long. We've got Ethereum on a long as well. Maker, I'm down a little bit on that one. Anyway, so you can see here the profits that are coming in. Now, again, I've set this up basically to take small profits, but consistently. So they're the lead trades. So 23 open positions at the moment, which is really nice as well. And these are my other current positions, which I'm using on my long and short bots, which are awesome as well. So really, really cool stuff. You can now follow me on OKX, and there's only 100 positions available. So if you do the copy trading, you will not need to use any other software. Just basically, it goes in and out of the deals automatically, which is incredible. So link is below for everything, guys. Join the Patreon. You'll get all access to that. Moving on, let's go to crypto bubbles, and we have a sea of green. Synthetics is pumping again. It's up 20% on the week and 12% on the day. $2.48. I'm not investing in synthetics, but those gains are pretty good, guys. They really are. Shiba Inu is up 1.9% as well. Shibarium's gone pretty quiet at the moment. Obviously, the Shibarium launch didn't really push the price skyrocketing, but again, I'm still holding for the bull market like everything else. XDC's down 2.8% today to 5 cents, which again, I'm still very, very bullish on this project, as everyone knows. At 5 cents, it's an absolute gem. USD, by the way, Quant is at 1.7% up today, $99 USD, still up 6.7% on the year. Now, again, I bought this at 80 Australian dollars, and there's a video probably like 2 years ago on this when I said when it drops, I'm going to buy, and then everyone in the community messaged me, and I bought it. And that's what I said I'd do. Now, Hedera is up 1.5% as well to 4 cents. Still very bullish on Hedera. Long-term, guys. Fed now, I mean, is using hashgraph technology from Hedera. No-brainer, in my opinion. Anyway, guys, bullish opportunity, and Solana's up 2.3%. You can see the pump that happened, obviously, on the announcement of Visa. And you're going to freak when you see this price prediction. So let's get into that. Now, the news obviously on Visa to send stablecoin USDC over Solana to help pay merchants in crypto, which is crazy. And Visa said on Tuesday that it would begin to send USDC, the second largest stablecoin by market cap, to select merchants via Solana blockchain in a newly announced pilot. Now, I just want to point out that this is a huge announcement, right? When you think about it, it is absolutely enormous. And I've been talking about Solana now for the last couple of weeks. Now, Solana's SOL jumped on Tuesday. The announcement follows the launch of PayPal's company-branded stablecoin PayPal USD. USDC is the second largest by market cap, which is huge. And Bernstein says it's nearly $3 trillion opportunity over the next 5 years, which is huge right now. And Solana's token was the last higher at 4.39% at $20.25. According to Coinmetrics, at one point it rose as much as 6%, which is wild. And the move came after Visa announced it introduced a settlement of the USDC stablecoin over the Solana network. The payments giant said in a statement that the development could help improve the speed of cross-border settlement and providing a modern option for our clients to easily send and receive funds via the Visa treasury. Solana is one of several networks aiming to rival Ethereum. Obviously, it's loved among developers who may choose to build applications on it instead of Ethereum. Thankfully, because the Ethereum gas fee is insane. Because of its speed and cost effectiveness, its year-to-date gain is up one of the biggest in the crypto market at 10%. Anyway, now we're going to get into some pretty crazy price predictions because we need to see this, all right? And again, Solana price prediction 2023, 24, and 2025 and beyond. Obviously, we've got low fees, and I have purchased NFTs which have gone missing. Nothing very valuable, but I've done transactions on OpenSea with that. Solana, very, very nice. Proof of history, the novel consensus mechanism coordinates timeline between nodes without slowing things down. Solana supports programming languages like Rust and C++ to develop dApps. Staking, SOL holders can stake their tokens to help validate transactions while earning staking rewards. Now, I need to find another platform to do that. I believe you can do it on Binance. I haven't used Binance for a while. But OKX, I'm going to push them to get staking going on that. Moving on, we've got some pretty crazy stuff here with predictions, all right? And 2022 crash and outages. Yeah, well, we all remember that from FTX, and it was just it was a debacle. Anyway, short-term Solana price prediction. The latest bullish news that Visa is using Solana for its stablecoin payments could propel Solana as high and reach the target to inverse head and shoulders pattern with a target of $75 per token. 2024 to 2025 gets interesting, all right? Solana very closely mimics the price action of 2016 to 2020 Ethereum, and I've been mentioning this for a while. If another similar rally follows in Solana like it did in Ethereum, Solana could approach upwards of $1,000 per token. This is where it gets wild, but anything's possible, all right? In the longest term outlook, it becomes much more challenging to properly predict what Solana might do. It very much depends on adoption of the SOL token, the Solana blockchain and crypto itself. If Solana can maintain its current and mean trajectory right here, then it's possible Solana could be priced around $3,000 to $4,000 by 2030 or beyond. What do you think about that? And you can see the chart right here in front of you. I can zoom in. Okay, so it's just been a continuous upward trend. This is what people need to do, zoom out. And you can see right here, I mean, it's going towards those $4,000 levels. I mean, anything is possible in crypto. Never say never. Wild. I'm bullish on Solana. Not financial advice. All right, anyway, more than $60 million stolen from young rich listers crypto casino. This is Australian dollars, by the way. This is why it's different from 40. But anyway, so why it matters. Stake.com is one of the world's largest online casinos. and more than 40 million US dollars or 60 million Australian was taken from the exchange's online wallets. However, Stake said user funds are safe. Stake.com was co-founded by young rich lister Ed Craven right here in 2017. And the thieves have stolen $41.3 million from crypto casino Stake.com, co-founded by Australia's youngest self-made billionaire in a major heist of tokens right there. There they are, Ed is right there. And Stake.com confirmed unauthorized transactions had taken place, but said user funds were safe. And we are investigating and we'll get the wallets up as soon as they are completely resecured. And obviously you can see there the client's funds are all safe, but all services have resumed deposits and withdrawals and processing instantly for all currencies. We apologize for the inconvenience. Stake announced that is full on $60 million. Whoa. And we've got a crypto analyst obviously presents a bull case for XRP. It could potentially reach $130 USD in the next bull run. I believe that's easily done and possible. Following the partial victory against the SEC, XRP, the native token Ripple, has fluctuated heavily despite the positive sentiment surrounding it. Nevertheless, the analyst sees a potential bull run for the altcoin, which is easily done. And apparently XRP has a history of symmetrical triangle patterns. In 2017, the crypto broke out from a similar symmetrical triangle pattern, which pushed the token obviously to a new all-time high. As for what, when, and this will happen, the analyst points out towards the expected 2024 bull run right here. Very, very bullish. Cannot wait for that, and I think it's easily going to soar past that. Now we've got Ripple locking, again, 800 million XRP tokens of this month's unlock. And 1 billion XRP was unlocked on September 1st from the escrow system, which has been used by controlling the companies to put new tokens into circulation. So they're being smart about it. However, as also happens every month, Ripple only kept a fraction of September's tokens unlocked to be sold on the market at the team's will. Notably, 800 million XRP valued at $400 million were relocked into two different escrows, accounting for 80% of the unlocked total. $400 million. Look at the money we're talking about here, guys. It's unbelievable. Swift unlocks potential of tokenization with successful blockchain experiments. Now, I just want to point out, this is something to do with Chainlink. And it's pretty crazy when you think about this, but Swift released this announcement. And for those of you who are new in this space, obviously the results of a new series of experiments that show its infrastructure can seamlessly facilitate the transfer of tokenized value across multiple public and private blockchains. And the findings have potential to remove significant friction, slowing the growth of tokenized asset markets and enable them to scale globally as they mature. And you can see right here, they're building this on Chainlink. And this is the reason why I'm bringing it up here. But you can see working with more than a dozen major financial institutions and market infrastructures and Chainlink, a leading Web3 service platform, Swift has successfully demonstrated that it can provide a single point of access to multiple networks using the existing secure infrastructure, thereby significantly reducing operational challenges and investment required for institutions to support the development of tokenized assets. Not only am I bullish on Chainlink, but more to the point, Ripple is already doing this as well with hundreds of institutions. Now, quickly as well, I'm going to talk about this, but this is an absolute wild card. But former Goldman Sachs executive Raoul Pal has recently revealed he believes that the crypto space could expand to manage an eye-popping $1 quadrillion in value given the right circumstances, which is unbelievable right here. But BlackRock's recent push for the ETF, which has followed several financial behemoths with over $27 trillion in assets under management moving into crypto, saying it could potentially lead to a massive amounts of capital moving into blockchain and crypto platforms. Just putting that out there. If that happens, that's wild. And yes, we've got HSBC talking about the distributed ledger technology for cross-border payments. They are basically very, very bullish on it right here. And they praised Ripple. No-brainer. Absolute no-brainer. CryptoMeter.io. Let's move through this quickly. And we've got money going into, ladies and gentlemen, the buy flow right here. We've got Ethereum, Solana. We have Litecoin as well, Arbitrum, and BCH today, which is interesting. Now, let's go to X. Yes, I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz, guys. Go follow me on there. Thank you to those 5,414 people. There you go. It's a tongue twister. Yes, I just got approved for OKX copy trading, which is wild. So go join up to that. Solana equals partnership with Shopify. Solana equals partnership with Visa, both in the past 2 weeks. I'm surprised this is not going parabolic today. It probably will later on. Grayscale asked the SEC to quickly approve its spot Bitcoin ETF. And Inverse Kramer is quite funny. Talking about oil, oil is, tending to go parabolic this year, given the fact that the restrictions have been placed. But Jim Cramer's on a win right here. Don't bite on oil going higher right here. And of course, it has. Moving on, the first time we have seen this in the XRP in 5 years. This is back in August. And again, I'm still very, very bullish on XRP because it's an absolute no-brainer. 13 hours ago right here, Swift has announced its infrastructure can enable the transfer of tokenized assets across various blockchains through collaboration with financial institutions right here, Chainlink. No-brainer. The Federal Reserve has also publicly stated that XRP is likely to be used to facilitate the blockchain aspect of the FedNow payment system. That is officially right here on their announcement, which is absolutely wild. And of course, you've got Ripple and Stellar Lumens XLM, which very, very bullish on that as well, guys. That is basically a fork of Ripple. Grayscale announcement. Today, our legal team and counsel at Davis, Polk and Wardwell, again, these law firm names are huge, but anyway, delivered the letter to the SEC with the important information to consider as it decides on the next steps for GBTC, or the ETF. Hedera moving to 20 billion transactions, which is wild. 1,738 days from the first 10 billion, 100 days for the next 10 billion. Wild. And again, moving down, yes, that is my official Instagram page. Go subscribe. The link is below. Moving down again, we are excited to announce that Visa has expanded our stablecoin settlement capabilities with Solana right here and acquiring the launch of pilots of WorldPay Global and Nuvi utilizing Solana blockchain. That is bullish as well. And just have a quick listen to this XRP, guys. It was never meant for retail. Listen to this.
That usage for a quick buck.
So I mean, it's kind of chicken and egg. You have to create a marketplace. And right now, we have about 150, 200 exchanges around the world that trade in XRP.
Listen to this.
A lot of it, as you say, is very shallow trading by individuals. And that is not the use case that we are pursuing. What we are pursuing is the use of XRP as a financial asset by sophisticated institutions as a bridging mechanism. So does this hurt or harm? Well, it creates a lot of noise. And we certainly don't want that much noise, but we're waiting. And for example, this last quarter, the bulk of XRP sales were to institutional investors. And as this transitions away from retail to institutions who start to use it for wholesale, financial usage, that's when the turning point will come.
Got it.
There you go. And they don't want retail holding XRP. That's from what I can gather from that. And total market cap, we've got 1.04 trillion, $24 billion in volume. It's slightly in the green today, a bit sideways, as you can see in the last 24 hours. 48% Bitcoin, 18% Ethereum. Here you go. Would love to see that get flipped by XRP. How crazy would that be? It's done it before. Top altcoins in the portfolio. Reef is up there, guys. And yes, we post this up, and I should say I post this up in the Patreon every single morning when I'm having my coffee. Just putting that out there. And the focus of my crypto trading and holding positions, again, is the banking coins. Absolute no-brainer. These projects are building out the new payment rails for the future, and it's an absolute no-brainer. And I should put Solana on here now, ladies and gents. I have to add Solana. This thing keeps changing all the time. Let's go here. And it's already pinned there, but not in the banking list. But nevertheless, let's keep that updated as possible. Anyway, guys, it's been a long day. Again, join the Patreon. Do the copy trading. There's only 100 positions available for now, and that I'm sure that will increase as we progress. But thank you very much for sticking around to the end of the video. Join the Patreon. Follow me on socials. And again, if it's evening, good night, good evening, good afternoon. And if it's morning, have an espresso. I'm out, ladies and gentlemen. Going to go chill now and watch the financial news on CNBC. Peace out. Speak tomorrow. Bye.